In this one, we're gonna go over how to draw Vlad Vladikoff. He's like a kind of vulture. I believe he's a vulture or condor, and evil-looking, character. Really cool design, by the way. But yeah, Dr. Seuss, love that stuff. I'm gonna do a lot more of those, so request some in the comments, and I will do more. So let's jump right into the lesson.
All right, so let's jump in on Vlad here. He has this kind of green version in the old books, but it kind of like transforms a bit as when they have him in the kind of the new version. So let's get going. I'm gonna go over here and I'm gonna curve a line over here for the beak. Down. All right. A few bumps here before it hits the top. Pulling down over here in the beak, back. We're gonna pull a curve shape where it touches the face. Up. Going over here, curve. All right. And he kind of has some sharp teeth-ish kind of thing going on sometimes, so I'm going to put that sticking out here. All right. Curve around the side of the mouth here, and it's going to curve in. Right on. Circle here for the eye. Then pulling a line over here. And you can do a couple of things. You can kind of put a dot there for the eye, which I'm going to do. Or you can maybe fill it in dark, but you can leave it like that. Over here, up, back. Line over here for the nostril and the nose. Don't forget, remember to subscribe. I post 3 times every single day, so absolutely hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. So basically, it's going to show you what I post. Like when you're scrolling through your feed, it's going to show the thumbnail of what I'm posting that day, and so it really, really helps out. So there's no downside to it. So make this the video you subscribe to. Curve back, in for kind of some hair, like, well, some hair at the back of the head. Oh, here, over here. All right. And, like I said, he's got some different looks to him in the Dr. Seuss books. Curve in, down over here for the neck, pulling back. Down here for the neck, pulling back. Over here, kind of the neck's gonna end over here, and he has this kind of like, he's like a vulture, right? He's gonna have this like furry thing around his neck. We're gonna go over here, up, right here. It's gonna be like a furry, almost like collar. It's gonna be zigzagging right here. Over here, go back. It's pretty slouched. Zigzag over here. Back. And I'm going to go over here. I'm going to pull down, curve back for the wing. Then extend, up, up, up for the wing kind of there. And they're going to have little feathers going all the way up. All right. Let's draw his feet here first before the rest of his body. So his feet are going to be, it's like an L shape, right? And fill that out. L shape over here, kind of this very angular shape for the feet. And then we're going to keep going for the other side. And you're going to pull a line across like he's on a branch. We can throw little thin lines on the toes there to show the texture. Going over here, pull down, out. over here on the far end to find the far side of the arm. All right. And what I want you to do is I want you to draw like a branch if you can. So it just makes him look like he's like a vulture sitting on a tree. Over here as well, it's gonna go up. Don't forget, by the way, hit the like button if you do. If you want other Dr. Seuss characters, let me know. Also, like I said, when you hit the like, it fuels the whole channel. The whole channel lives on likes. Likes are the fuel to keep the channel going. So absolutely hit that like button on this video or any other video you enjoy. It helps out tremendously. So I'm gonna go over here. So we have that. So he's right there. And then what I want to do is I'm going to continue this. So I'm going to go over here on this side. On over here. And maybe like a branch over here, branch over here, branch over here, branch over here. Kind of throw these branches out of here, and you can also throw little dots maybe to show that this texture of the tree, right? Or you can throw little thin lines on the tree. All right, line over here. And that's pretty much it. That is Vlad Vladikoff, a Dr. Seuss character. But yeah. Thank you so much. Like I said, if you did enjoy this, share the video and you share it anywhere like Twitter, Facebook, you know, anywhere you share it, Reddit, anywhere you share it, it's a huge deal. So thank you so much. I will talk to you next time. Don't forget to check out the announcement. Also, don't forget I have a new coloring book. It's called Sushi Cats. So if you like coloring, go check out that link. It's going to be somewhere in the description. You know, it's on Amazon and you can go buy it there for, I think, like $5 or something, really cheap. But go check that out. Thank you so much, and I'll see you next time.
Hey, for those of you that are a little bit more serious and you really want to kind of upgrade your art skill all around, I have these beginner art lessons here on my Skillshare. So the idea with this is that some people that, you know, for example, on YouTube, people just kind of want to draw what's in the video and just generally have a fun time. They're not always concerned about the little details and stuff about learning how to do this stuff, you know, long term. And I get that, that's fun. But for some people want to upgrade their art ability entirely, like all around, like they're serious about it. If that's you, go here. Like I said, there's programs here on even some of the same material. Like I said, it's just a lot more in depth. My eye drawing program is an hour as opposed to the video I have on YouTube, which is like 10 minutes, right? You can still learn from both, but like I said, if you really want more and you really want to make this part of your life, go here. I have
Same thing over here, how to draw a dragon head. I have anime, I have cartoons. There's categories for everything, and everything is for beginners. The other thing about this website is it's incredibly easy to watch it. This is like the Netflix of like drawing lessons. So you can go through the entire site, see everybody else's lessons. And normally the site costs like 30 to 40 bucks a month. Because you're watching this video right now, if you're still watching right now, you get it for free for at least a month. Like 30 days, that's a lot. But just what you have to do is go over here to the video, go down, first link in the description, the very, very first link. That gives you free access to this whole thing for 30 days. You just go over here, you click this thing, boom, and then you sign up. And it's super easy, and the cool part is you can just straight up cancel it before the 30 days is up, and you never pay a single thing. You never pay a cent, and you got all this learning from it. But yeah, like I said, that's an option for you guys. If you guys want to do it, absolutely go hit that up. And that's it. So talk to you later, and hopefully I'll catch you over there later. Thank you so much. You are amazing. Over here on the right, you're going to see my most recent upload, and on the top corner over here, you're going to see just another selection, another cool selection that has to do kind of with the subject of this video. And over here at the top, you can hit the subscribe to see a lot more. This is awesome, and I'll see you next time.